Alright, hello my wonderful students. Today we're going to be doing a systems with infinitely many solutions. So we're going to be trying to solve the systems of equations. So we do see this one here is already set up, but we need to solve this one first in terms of y equals mx plus b before we can figure out what we need to do. So let's go ahead and write this one down here. We'll do it in a nice purple color. I guess we can just solve from where it's at right now. So we're going to add, so we got to do the opposite operation, so we're going to add 8 to both sides. This would add to 0, so that would go away, and this will leave us with 2y is equal to, we can't combine this because this 4 has an x and this 8 does not, so it's going to be negative 4x plus 8. I guess you've got to see why. The easiest way for me to do it or teach it is whenever you have an X, you always think of like a cheeseburger. And whenever you don't have an X, you think of like a grilled cheese. There's no meat. So you can't put them together. A cheeseburger and a grilled cheese doesn't make 2 cheeseburgers or 2 grilled cheeses. It makes a cheeseburger and a grilled cheese. And if you have X squared, you can also say a double cheeseburger, triple cheeseburger, depending on how high the degree. And it makes it easier to kind of understand. I learned that a long time ago, and it's been stuck in my head since. So let's continue. So now we can divide to everything actually on this side. We can do it that way, or we can actually divide each thing by 2. That'd probably be easier. That way we can see what we're doing. This one divides to 1, and we're left with just y here equal to negative 4 divided by 2 would be 2x with the x there, and then 8 divided by 2 would give us a 4. If we do see here, we do have our equation here and our equation up here to be the same, which means this is going to be infinitely many solutions, but let me graph it to show you. So I'll grab the top one here. Since I did this one down here in purple, I'll grab this one in purple. And this top one here, I'll do in orange. I should have circled orange in the beginning. Sorry for that. But let's do our orange one first. So we have our plus 4 for our y-intercept. And then our slope is negative 2 over 1. And that just goes down there. And we can put one over here for fun. And then we graph this one down here, right there. It actually goes on forever here if you wanted to be technical. And we do the other one in purple. Same thing, we have our y-intercept at 4. And we go down 2 over 1, go down 2 over 1, go down 2 over 1. Also do this. And as you can see, the lines are going to overlap here. So it's going to be infinitely many solutions. So they would have, if we do it in this lovely green, infinitely many solutions. And all that really means is that it doesn't matter what number you put in here for x or for here for x, it's always going to be the same output of y. So it doesn't matter what input you put in. So if I put in like 0, negative 5, 492,622, it's always going to come out with the same output of y.